Let's start this fight in 3. Oh, is my timer working? Hold on just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so there is both weapons engaging. Porklift trying to run those forks into the drum. Ankle grinder. Ankle grinder trying to stay on him. You can see ankle grinder is starting to grind away, bend up those forks. Porklift almost getting a good lift, but getting pushed back. Ankle grinder staying right on him. Very, very potent weapon. And now you can see ankle grinder maybe trying to get them a little closer to the pit. Alright, so ankle grinder inverted. Porklift trying to capitalize on that. Ankle grinder just using the gyroscopic forces of that drum to dance all over their opponent. Right into Porklift as we approach, we pass the halfway point in this match.